In this video, I will show you a Linktree tutorial that will be full guide for beginners. So let's dive right in. From your browser, you can search for Linktree. Search it. Here you will find this official website of Linktree. You can open it. Then you will find this official dashboard of Linktree. Now, you can simply start with sign up free. Then it will ask some of questions like tell us about yourself, where you have to choose your profession and your category. Then continue. In the list of plans, you can choose free if you want. Or if you want to buy pro, you can buy it. I will continue with free. Select it and click on this join for free. After typing your username, click on this find my account. Here you have to type profile title. You can type your name or your company name, and in bio you have to type about yourself, that what you do, and click continue. Then it will show you this sum of templates. You can choose anyone. I will choose this one, and here it will show you this check your inbox. Firstly, they have to verify your email address. So you have to open your email address and confirm email from there. After confirming it, then you will find here this your account has been verified. Sign in to continue, and it will show a window like this. You can simply click on this add link to make your profile. From here you have to type your URL. Like I'm making profile for my YouTube channel, so I will open my YouTube channel and copy link from here and then simply paste it and click on this add. You have to paste your own link. Then it will show like this. You can see here in this pink box it's showing YouTube URL. So to edit it, select it and type here YouTube. That will look professional. Now in the bottom side, it will show you these some of options like thumbnail. You can click on that and select set thumbnail. It will give you these two options to choose your own thumbnail or choose from table icons. So I will choose my own thumbnail. So you can choose any of your logo. I am selecting here my own image for this tutorial purpose. Click on this crop and upload. It will start uploading. You can find here it's showing our name, our profile and this YouTube link. You can also paste some of emojis that will help you to look more professional. To get these emojis, I will open new tab and search for copy emojis. You can open this first website and simply search for emoji. So I will search tag and you can copy any emoji from here. I will copy this one and here it is. So one link is added. If you want to add more, you can simply click on this add a link. The next link will be added at the bottom side of YouTube. Now to copy your profile URL, you can simply click here copy URL. If I copy it and paste it to new tab and search it, you can find here we have successfully made this profile bio through Linktree. So that's how you can use Linktree. That was a tutorial for beginners.